Hello friends, how are you all? I am back with a new video. The topic being discussed in today's video is FOXWELL NT301 OBD2 scanner. The FOXWELL NT301 OBD2 scanner is a professional diagnostic tool designed to help vehicle owners and mechanics quickly identify engine problems and monitor real-time vehicle performance. With its powerful features, durable design, and affordable price, this scanner has become one of the most trusted tools for diagnosing check engine light issues in modern vehicles. Whether you are a professional mechanic or a car owner who wants to understand your vehicle better, this device offers excellent value and reliability. One of the biggest advantages of the FOXWELL NT301 OBD2 scanner is its ability to read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs. When the check engine light appears on your dashboard, it can be frustrating not knowing the exact cause. This scanner connects directly to your vehicle's OBD2 port and instantly retrieves the error codes. It then displays clear explanations of those codes, helping users understand what might be wrong with the engine or emission system. This feature can save drivers both time and money because it reduces the need for unnecessary visits to the mechanic. Another impressive feature of this scanner is its live data capability. The device allows users to view real-time information from the vehicle's engine control unit, ECU. This includes important data such as engine speed, RPM, coolant temperature, fuel system status, oxygen sensor readings, and more. By analyzing live data, users can better understand how their vehicle is performing and detect potential issues before they become serious problems. The FOXWELL NT301 OBD2 scanner is also known for its user-friendly design. It comes with a large, easy-to-read color screen that clearly displays information and diagnostic results. The interface is simple, making it easy even for beginners to navigate through menus and perform scans. The device also features durable buttons and a rugged outer design, which makes it suitable for frequent use in professional workshops as well as home garages. Compatibility is another strong point of this diagnostic tool. The scanner supports most OBD2 compliant vehicles, including many cars, SUVs, and light trucks manufactured from 1996 onward. This wide compatibility ensures that users can use the device on multiple vehicles without worrying about connection problems or limited functionality. In addition to reading codes and displaying live data, the scanner also provides I/M readiness status, which is useful for emissions testing. This feature helps drivers determine whether their vehicle is ready for an emissions inspection, preventing unexpected failures during official testing. The device can also retrieve vehicle information such as VIN, calibration ID, and other system data. Considering its powerful features, durability, and ease of use, the FOXWELL NT301 OBD2 scanner offers exceptional value for its price. It provides professional-level diagnostics without the high cost associated with advanced automotive tools. For anyone looking to monitor their vehicle's health, diagnose engine problems, and save money on repairs, this scanner is a practical and reliable solution. Overall, the FOXWELL NT301 OBD2 scanner is an impressive diagnostic device that combines affordability, functionality, and performance. It is a smart investment for car owners and mechanics who want a dependable tool to keep vehicles running smoothly and efficiently.